everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to a new delicious video, because today we are making edible cookie dough that's paleo, vegan, and delicious. So for the base, I'm starting off with almond flour, which is great because it's full of healthy fats, so it's going to keep you full, and it's great for your metabolism too. Some maple syrup for a little bit of sweetness, as well as some vanilla for flavor. Then I'm adding in some almond butter, which really helps the texture of this, as well as some coconut oil. Both are great healthy fats, and the great thing about fats is that they help to reduce those cravings and they make you feel satisfied, so you don't need as much. So this is the base to the recipes that we're going to make, and you can definitely customize it any way you want, but it comes together super easily, and because we're not adding in egg or anything like that, it's okay to eat raw. So the first one we're making is the classic chocolate chunk. It's super easy. I added in a tablespoon of chocolate chunks, and I'm folding that into the batter. And that's it. It's super easy, but it's such a classic that I wanted to include it because it's super easy to make and delish. The next one we're making is double chocolate, kind of like a double chocolate cookie. All you have to do is take the chocolate chunk one and add a tablespoon of cacao and then mix it in. So the cacao takes a little bit to mix in, but the great thing is that because we're not cooking this, we get all those benefits from the raw cacao. So we get the antioxidants, we get the calming, we get everything from the raw cacao. That's why I like using raw cacao, especially in recipes where I'm not baking it. But it's super delicious and easy to make, and it's super chocolatey too. And the last one we're making is Snickerdoodle. So I'm taking the base, I'm adding in a half a teaspoon of coconut sugar, as well as a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon, and then mixing that into it. And there you go. It's super simple. That's why I like these. I would roll these into like little cookie dough balls too, and then keep them in the freezer for wherever you want a nice treat. And there you have your Snickerdoodle cookie dough. It's such a classic recipe too. It's simple and delicious. So I hope you guys enjoyed these edible cookie doughs. I love that they're plant-based, but also paleo, and everyone can eat them. I hope you guys are all having a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.